really like shopping today, you know. I go like this, I think. Let me put this back here. I love my cape, I'm never gonna take it off, you know. I like shopping, you know, but the last time I don't like shopping, so my mom says, no, take this one. Let me close this now. Let me tell my friends that I don't like girls shopping. Girl! What? I have a new dress for the party. I have to. I just like my old dress that I had, you know. I don't like yucky, fruity, ferret. Yeah. Some stuff sometimes. I think you are evilist. No, I'm not evilist. But you feel like evilist. Fine. So, let me tell the trick about that silly trick of yours. What did you say? Oh, I mean, relax into the chair, you know. Okay, that's